AI agents, where to get started? Well, I'm going to give you a free Hermes trial, free Hermes tutorial on my YouTube channel. That is going to be right over here. Go figure, it is right there. What OS? I am on a Mac OS, Bella. Hermes right here. Actually, I'm on like a 16 gig MacBook Pro M1. The thing's so old, I have to get a new one because basically with all the agents, I'm losing room. You basically lose room on your computer because you have so many roommates and the agents are doing stuff while you're doing stuff, and you only have one mouse. And so you basically want to get you do want to get your own Mac for all the other agents too. Nice. Well, that completes today's Q&A. Pretty light, pretty simple one. We went through, let's recap, how we can build high quality websites. We went through all the 4 things that you need in order to create a viral website. Where you can find free AI marketing training, tons of stuff, and which were the best videos to watch on my YouTube channel. I shared what were the top 3. Then we went through what is the best way to start with AI orchestration workflow. This is basically going to be the workflow from here. 16 gigs, herder, multiple LLMs, and then you can just let them go. And then you use GitHub as the backlog. And then we gave you the whole prompt that you could copy paste. Then we said some people are wondering where to get canned because they're done creating content manually. They're like, I want to press a button. I want to fully automate my content. And we had a little fun playing around with Dance 2.5. Isn't that crazy that the models just keep getting better and better, which is like wild. And then we went into AI agents, where I showed you where to watch a free Hermes tutorial where you can learn how to build your own AI agent in less than an hour that will work for you for 24/7 for only $20 a month. That is there.